Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set page setup in Tally Prime. Mastering these settings allows you to customize the appearance of your invoices and reports, ensuring they look professional and meet your specific needs. You will learn to optimize paper usage and enhance overall document presentation. We will cover accessing various configuration options for precise control over your printed output, making your daily operations smoother and more efficient. To begin, accessing print settings in Tally Prime is straightforward. For reports, simply press Alt+P, or for invoices, use Ctrl+P to open the print screen. Once there, select the Configure option to dive into detailed print settings. You can also use function keys like F6 to quickly change or configure your printer setup, or F7 to update document titles and subtitles, streamlining your printing workflow. Now, let's customize your page dimensions. You can easily choose your desired paper size from a list of available options, such as A4 or A5. Next, set the print orientation to either portrait or landscape to best suit your document's layout. You can also modify print margins to optimize content placement, ensuring everything fits perfectly. For invoices, you might adjust the height, for example, from 10 inches to 5 inches, to save paper. Finally, let's explore advanced settings and how to save your configurations. You can include important company details, like your logo and address, on all printed documents for branding. Tally Prime also offers features to optimize printing, helping you save paper by adjusting invoice height. Remember to save your customized report views for quick access later. These settings can be applied globally or for specific documents, giving you complete flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.